So guys, we've got 5 exercises we're going to do. We're going to start off with releasing the calves. We always start off bottom up, so we're going to release the calves. We're then going to move on to the quads, and from the quads to the inner thigh, and then going on to the hamstrings, and finishing off with the glutes. So the benefits of this are you're going to feel nice and loose afterwards. You're going to get a great mobility, and your performance is going to be amazing once you start training. Right guys, so we've got the foam roller here, and we're going to position it onto the calves. I tend to do one leg at a time rather than both legs on, so I can concentrate on just each leg individually. And nice and easy, you're going to lift your hips off the ground, position on the bottom of your calf, and just move up slowly, and then move down. So we're going up 2 inches, and just down 1 inch. So it's just getting rid of the lactic acid. And now guys, if you want to make this increase the intensity or resistance on it, you put your other leg over, still using your hands to support your body weight, and then coming up. Oh, you feel it there, coming down. So working from the bottom of the calf towards the top of the calf, releasing the lactic acid. So another way to improve this a little bit, we're going to go side to side. So you're just going to roll over to the side, and then roll over to the other side. Now you get a bit of a sticky point here, like a trigger point. You can feel it there. And once you've got it, you then just move to the other side. So we're going to spend about a minute doing this, 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. I'd say 1.5 minutes on each leg. Just flushing out the lactic acid. So crucial for runners and cyclists, just to really loosen up before they go into their run or cycle, and also afterwards. Okay guys, second up we've got the quad. So we're going to go into a plank position onto elbows, and you're going to position the lower part of your quad, or the top of your knee, and then you're going to go up. Slowly, control, not too fast, and then down. So up 2 inches, towards the top of the quad, and then down. And we can progress this further, just to hit a little bit more of the meaty part of the quad, towards the hip. As you can see, I'm pushing a bit further back, and then I'm going to go down. Okay, I'm then going to turn on towards my inner thigh. So also about 1.5 minutes of each leg on the quad. And same goes for now for the inner thigh. Just turning over and working in the adductors towards the groin. It's a very sensitive area this, but very crucial. Up and down. Then I made my way a little bit further up towards the groin, and I come down. Okay, next up we've got the exercise for the hamstring. We're going to roll out the hamstring. I'm going to push through my right heel forward, and you can see my left foot is in the air, and towards the lower hamstring there, and then up towards the top of the hamstring, lower glute. And I'm also turning in a bit, just to reach more towards the glute, inner thigh again. Slightly turned out. There we go. And last off, we've got the glute exercise. We're going to position the foam roller towards the top of the glute, and just going to move up and down. So this is getting the glute maximus. The bulk of the glute and the biggest muscle in the body. And then what I'm going to do is bend my knee there in the same position. Now just rolling up and down, just to get a little bit more tension, a little bit more control towards the lower glute down there, and back to the upper glute. Now guys, I'm going to actually shift it around to the glute medius, towards the top. So now that's also quite good. Reaching, all connected to the lower back now, glute medius. towards the hip flex, the lower back, the whole area. And just going up and down. Minute and a half each side once again. Make sure you get this done. So guys, that's it. Now you should be able to foam roll all parts of your legs, all the muscle groups. You should be able to release the tension and increase mobility and performance. So before your workout, crucial, after your workout for recovery, or any other time of the day. So guys, please, any comments, likes, click subscribe, and to see any more videos, keep watching and stay tuned.